Monday, September the 12th, 1988, has gone down in the annals of Jamaica's history.
Mr. Hurricane are going, I'm just hearing about ball out. When we go to the regular look, half of my neighbor house gone. We never find one long tick in a yard and use it and pull in crash. Or else water washing away.
When the hurricane come in, it was like a wind passed in. And then it lift the house and then it drop it and crash right out.
When the storm started, it was about 4 o'clock. I was on my veranda when it started. I said, I have to see the mystery of it. And when it start 5 o'clock and start blush, we are say, no man, no breeze can come harder than this. Any breeze come harder than this, we're going to die, everybody in this community.
Dreading at 88, a hurricane a rage. Gilbert Fury turned paradise into a cage. Jamaica wail as the wind it did cry. One monstrous piece of storm a tear up the sky. Coconut tree flash like wet blocks my rastaman. Zinc roof fly we say, "Uno lucky, me not turn." The land we love, so lush and green, kept bruised and battered, a scary scene. Banana field get flattened, golden dream gone sour. House crumbled down by the wicked wind power. But Jamaican spirit it tough like pimento. Rise together and fix where the storm dent up, and onward it spin like washing machine. It tear up the island, leaving a water scene. A force of nature, wild and untamed, you see. Hurricane Gilbert definitely a go down in history. So remember Gilbert, down to the day, down to the hour. But remember most of all, what it couldn't devour. The will of the people and the hearts full of fire.
Well, Gilbert, you're gone. No, we can chat behind your back.